Parents, do your students have the new Zen app? Well, this is the new TikTok app copycat that pays users. We're going to talk about how very bad this app can be for your kids, how you can maybe make it safe for your family, and what you can do to protect your kids in the future. Now, The Verge says a new TikTok clone hit the top of the App Store by paying users to watch videos. TikTok has a new competitor, Zen, a nearly button-for-button exact clone of what TikTok is that differentiates itself with one key twist. It pays users to sign up, watch videos, and convince other users to follow suit. As you can see on the left over there, the Zen app is #1 above TikTok. Now, Zen Marketing says, discover cool content tailored to your taste. Customize cool stickers and text effects. Let you fully express your content. Create professional videos in minutes with unique editing tools. Connect to your friends from the globe. Enjoy your own community. And this is where it gets weird. Reward. Play a mini game to win rich rewards. You see, they're heavily backed financially, and they're actually paying people to invite friends and to check in every single day. Now, what is the Zen app? Well, it's a free Chinese-owned video app where users watch and create content. It's extremely similar to TikTok. What do you mean, Josh? Well, if you've downloaded TikTok or taken any of my live free webinars, you'll notice that all these icons are an exact duplicate of what TikTok is. The main difference is that Zen claims to pay its users for watching content and referring friends. The app boasts a massive music library, cool stickers, and funny effects. Videos can be shared to Instagram, Snapchat, etc. That's how they get people to come back to the site, is by sharing all this information, putting their logo in there, and then bringing them back. Now, what is this app? Well, users can like and comment on videos and follow or block other users. You don't need an account to watch videos. You can usually embed them in websites if it's anything like TikTok in that respect. You do need an account to make a profile and earn rewards, aka money. New users must sign up with either a phone number, Facebook, or a Google account so it can contact you. Now, who can use it? Well, the app's community guidelines states that Zen is for users 13 years and older. The company, however, won't provide access to the account or information about the account to anyone other than the account holder. Parents and guardians of account holders are responsible for educating your child on internet safety. This is scary because every once in a while there is a child abduction on an app like this, and what they're saying is we will not comply with other countries or law enforcement. Apple's App Store rates Zen for users 12 plus, and Google Play rates it T14. Now, how is money earned on Zen? Well, as users scroll through the video feed, they accumulate points. Each hour watched equals about $1.20. Users also get up to $20 for every friend they refer, and a bonus of $10 for every fifth friend as of the time of this video. To qualify for the referral money, new users must download Zen, sign up, and continually use the app. Referral earnings can be transferred to PayPal or cashed in for gift cards, the Apple Store, Walmart, Amazon, etc. They're still trying to figure this out, but they have bottomless pockets, and they're offering to pay your students. So they're going to do that in a way that gets your students excited. Now let's watch what a YouTube influencer, aka Tech Hustler, says happened to his Zen rewards. Now keep in mind, this is an influencer, and they're paying him, saying, if you invite your whole contact list and promote us, then we will give you $1,278.95 or whatever that is. Let's take a look at this. Let's go back. Let's take a look at his video.
This application was cashing out instantly, and I'll put a payment proof right here from my PayPal account. They were cashing out instantly once a day, and then yesterday when I went to make the video and then I hit that cash out, I wasn't receiving my payment.
Now the problem with this is they're getting students, younger students, to want to receive money for playing these games. Everybody, it seems, a lot of students, not everybody, but a lot of students, as I zoom around the country now as a speaker, they will often say, students will say, I want to be an influencer. And what that means to them is either money or fame. And this is playing into one of those two, and that's the troublesome thing here. Now, Zin in the news. Social Media Today says the rise of a new short-form video app, Zin, could spell trouble for TikTok. Zin is seemingly being funded by this Chinese-based company, a key rival for TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. That potentially makes Zin a much bigger concern for TikTok, but it could also make both Zin and TikTok much bigger targets for Western regulators, many of whom who are already highly concerned about a Chinese organization in ByteDance making a push into Western markets and gathering data on non-Chinese citizens. Now, Forbes says Zin, a new TikTok copycat, pays users, but its origins are much more interesting. As teenagers unsuspectingly dance in their bedrooms and accumulate points for watching videos, international espionage, surveillance development, and cyber warfare plays out in real time. If there was ever an acute technological catalyst for the acceleration of US-China conflict, this is it, says Forbes. Now, Mashable says this TikTok clone is #1 on the App Store, but is it all smoke and mirrors? Zin seems to be a pyramid referral scheme. And what they mean by that is influencers are inviting tons of people to get money to then cash out. And students are inviting people as well. Even the options presented when you're ready to withdraw your Zin earnings appear to purposefully make it difficult to take your money and walk away. Some say that you can only take about $50 per day, which is about $1,500 per month to get influencers to come in, check out, invite more people, and so on. Parents, why should you care? There are no content filters available on Zin. Look at this image on the right, somebody in a bikini. Since all content is user-generated, videos range from cute animals and cooking to explicit song lyrics, potential partial nudity, and dangerous stunts. There are also concerns over how the app protects a user's privacy and data. Parents, also, at the time of this review, there's no way to make Zin accounts private. There will be someday soon, I assume, but as of right now, they actually want to make it public, sometimes as in TikTok. If you watch any of my live webinars, you'll notice TikTok actually makes a website for your kid if their account is public. Next, anything your student posts on this can be public at the time of this viewing. Users can follow other users and block individual users, and the incentive to earn money on Zin could lead to addictive behavior. Parents, before your kids get the app, please consider downloading Zin, spending some time using it, and then determining if it's safe for your family. If your student already uses Zin, ask for their username and follow them on the app. Teach your students to come talk to you or a trusted adult if they are ever contacted by a stranger or ever feel uncomfortable on this app. Teach them to never share personal information in videos or comments or with anyone, even if they seem trustworthy online. Remind your student that their online activity, even under a fake username, can impact their reputation in their future with an internship, a college, career, and everything else. Teach your students the dangers of participating in viral video challenges or doing anything dangerous for social media attention. And please consider showing your students that they can block individual users and mark videos as not interested, as you can see on the right side of the screen. Parents and educators, please consider joining my next live free webinar, live from Los Angeles. This is our very best webinar we've ever given. Thousands of people have joined, and it teaches you the hidden safety features in TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Fortnite, YouTube, Netflix, and maybe even this app if we keep going. You can join, and we have lots of these every single week, and I teach it live. I promise you're going to absolutely love it. Here's what other people say. Helpful safety tips. We get 5 stars all the time. Very informative, high energy, engaging, important stuff. Extremely informative. Amazing info, so engaging. Please consider clicking the links below. Also, you're welcome to join our VIP program. It's about $10 a month, and you dive in deep into all the different apps. We give you videos to show your kids so you're working with your kids rather than against them. VIP stands for Very Informed Parent. Hey guys, please consider, if you like this, rate, subscribe, and review. Help us to reach more parents. Help us to work with students instead of against them. I'm Josh Oakes with smartsocial.com. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day.